我给你面了。
我给你it's 面子。
面子啊，面子。
So it's
okay. 我知道
versus
问题。
了 versus
Sorry.
在哪儿 I know where the problem is. 我知道问题在哪儿。Again, you just
我知道问题在哪儿。
Exactly. So you just take away the 你 and replace it with 我 and then take away the 嘛。我知道问题在哪儿。
我知道问题在哪儿。
那问题在哪儿 So where is the question? So where's the problem? 那问题
it's I thought it was a l, but it's a th. And the meaning of 面子我不知道。
面子意思是face. To give someone face. But it's quite funny here.
Yeah, it's better to get noodles than face, right?
Obviously. 你喜欢
Okay, yeah.
Just want to point it out, but it's good as well. It makes me more aware. There's the l and the z.
Yeah, I'm a bit sloppy sometimes, I'm quick and then I rarely proofread what I type.
给你面 But that's good. 我给你面了 We can write that sentence as well.
给你面了
Yeah, I give you noodles. To me, it was I didn't understand how you could make it like this, but yeah, now I see. Okay, have you eaten? And then I'm opposite the snack shop. 我在小吃的对面 This is perfect. I just want to point it out here.
我在小吃的对面。
对面 Yeah, exactly. 我在小吃的对面 So it's 对面。对面 is the position, and then where in regards to what? Well, in regards to 小吃 So 小吃的。Perfect. Let's. Yeah, actually, there's a few things here. 家里有什么可吃的 So, what do you have that is edible at home? That is perfect.
Edible.
Oh yeah, sorry, this is not perfect. Edible. Okay, and then we said 没有了 You answered with I don't know. 没有
Okay, I don't have.
Yeah, no have. Yeah, you can. For my sake, you can just write no have. It means you understand Chinese enough at least. 走吗 Let's go out and eat. 去外面吃东西 That's perfect. Yeah, there was this one. Go 去对面吧 Go out, but it's not saying go out. It's saying something else.
Okay, go opposite.
Go opposite. Go across like across the
Go
street.
across, yeah. Okay.
那儿小吃很好 there.
Their snack shop, good.
Yeah, exactly. Well, it doesn't actually say shop. It just says the snack.
Their snack, good.
Above, it was wrong to say 小吃 meant store because we need to say the word for store as well. But that's fine.
Okay. Sure.
好，听你的 OK 今天给你面子 Today I'll give you again. It's not noodles.
I thought that sentence didn't make sense.
Yeah, it sort
okay.
of does.
Okay. Then I give you say them.
So let's read this one then. I'll go with 饿死了
家里有什么可吃的？
可吃的 Nice.
可吃的。
没有了 And note that we're not really saying 没有了 It would be sorry if I said 没有 it would be no have 没有了 would be like no have anymore Maybe we're out since yesterday.
We're out. Yeah. 走吧。
走吗
走嘛。
Does it sound weird?
No, I was just thinking 走嘛. What's that? Like that. What's the meaning then?
You want to go? Yeah. But it's less pushy than
it's okay. It's like go. Let's go. Okay.
Should we go? Maybe I don't know. Less pushy than
okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 走嘛. 走嘛. 去外面 吃东西，东西，东西。
Very nice. 去外面吃东西。去外面吃东西。I'll record these
外
sentences.
面吃东西。
I'll record these sentences and you can have a listen to them as well.
Yeah, that's good.
去对面吧。那儿小吃很好。
好。说你的。
听。
听你的。好，听你的。今天给你面子。
面子 nice. I just want to 今天给你面子 very nice. I just want to point out that thank you for saying saw. That was good actually, because the saw looks like this, 所以. But it's if it's so, then it has to be 所以. You can't just say saw. And
it's
this
always 所以 then. Okay.
Yeah, and this is 听 to listen.
所以
to listen. But then we can often say 听你. So like, okay, I'll listen to you. But it's actually, we say 听你的 because it's like, I'm not listening to you. I'm not listening to what belongs to you, your speech, your ideas. So this is a very common expression. I'll put it in the flashcards.
Okay.
I listen to you, basically.
Yeah.
Very good little thing. Okay.
好。
OK， 有问题吗？这里你有什么问题吗？
没有问题。
OK， 你知道你有问题，你可以问我，知道吗？
你可以说，你可以再说一次。
可以。你有问题，你可以问我，你知道吗？
不知道。I think this is my main problem now. I'm quite bad at understanding like spoken.
That's fine.
Chinese.
That's fine. We'll get there, don't we? 你有问题，你可以问我，知道吗？你有问题，你可以问我，知道吗？
Okay. 知道。When I have a question, I will ask you. Yeah.
By the way, for that sake as well, I want you to listen to more now. And so, first of all, you can listen to these dialogues, but then also I've made a new exercise in the practice book, in the course book, where it's a completely new exercise for like 0.6 or something, where you I say a sentence in Chinese, and you have to write down first what you hear in Chinese and then translate it. I think that's a quite cool thing.
That's very good. Yeah. Yeah, that would be very good for my stage right now.
It's I'm looking forward to that a lot. Okay. Then explain why we don't use 吃 but instead usually 吃饭 to eat. Do you have any theories about this one?
Let me think. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Maybe to make it like more active. It's like, okay, let's eat instead of just eat.
Yeah, active or clearer. Because 吃 is just one sound. It's more small sound. It can mean a lot of things. So we just add fun.
Okay.
But also because it can mean a lot of different things. Like 坐 means to sit down. So you can't just say 坐. You have to say 坐车. You have to relate it to a verb. Do you know the word for to dance? 跳舞. So there's if you see two characters, you can usually tell that. By the way, it looks like this. You don't have to remember this. This is just to show you an example. 跳舞. This literally means to. So it's a verb plus a noun. In that case, so 跳 is the verb and the 舞 is the. 舞, by the way, means dance. But what does 跳 mean then? 跳 actually means to jump.
Okay. Jump down.
So you jump. So yeah, when you say 跳, that just doesn't do enough. But you can use 跳 in so many other words, obviously, like to jump, high jump, or to jump, I don't know, and get something, to jump away, to jump from a building, anything. But then if you add the wu, then it becomes to dance, 跳舞. I think that's my favorite example of if you don't take the verb, if you don't take the noun at the end and just look at the verb, then it's literally Chinese people are just jumping on the dance floor. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the answer. First of all, it's clear. First of all, because it's clear. Easier to decipher, all right, when you hear it. But the second reason is because some verbs can be vague, like 坐车 be like to sit car. So if you remove the 坐 there, if you remove the 车, then it would be so hard to know what the 坐 referred to.
All right.
明白吗？
什么？
明白吗？
明白。
好的，非常好。Okay, and I think you've definitely nailed the 没有吃 and the 不吃, so it's 不 versus 没有. That's excellent.
Of course.
Very, very good. Have you eaten? 你吃了吗? Okay, let's just read this sentence. Do you want to go and eat together with me? 你要不要跟我一起去吃饭? Very difficult. 你
要不要跟我一起去饭?
Nice. 你要不要跟我一起? The more you read, the harder it gets. 你要不要跟我一起去吃饭?
你要不要跟我一起去
Yeah. Try and say this. No, it's very good. Try and say that 一起去. It's like, do you want to go together? Maybe I'll just actually remind myself to make a question out of that. 一起去 Be like, 一起去. Do you want to go together? 一起去吗? And then it's 一起去吃饭吗?
一起去吃饭吗?
Nice.
一起去吃饭吗? 一起去吃饭. It's like that. 吃. 一起去吃饭吗?
Yeah, nice.
It's like more power in the 吃.
Yeah, and it's further down. So
一起去吃饭吗?
一起去吃饭.
一起去吃饭.
It sounds very good, yeah.
一起去吃饭. Okay.
No, but no, the 吃 is further down. So this is 七 Q, and this is 吃. Can you hear the difference? Then it's CH.
吃.
Nice.
吃.
Yeah, so if you just said together, it would be 一起, and then you can say 一起吃. You can practice that as well. 一起吃.
Remember, I saw a funny video of someone speaking. Yeah, I have to share this one with you.
What, do you have a funny video? What did you say?
Yeah, it was there's some group I was part of on Facebook that someone spoke Cantonese, and it just sounds very funny.
They have a lot of these sounds there.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Let's read this one. Cantonese. That's the language that where I was brought up in China, by the way.
Yeah. Do you speak Cantonese?
I call it taxi Cantonese. That's the extent of my Cantonese.
Okay. Well, that's
not very much. Can you ask me in Chinese instead, maybe?
你会说 Cantonese 吗？
对，我不太会说 Cantonese。你Cantonese 你可以说广东 but you say 广东话。
广东话
话 means language as well.
我是话啊
And you know the province Guangdong in the south. 我不太会广东话。你会广东话吗？
不可以。
不会。
不会。我不会。
不会，没问题。It is no problem at all. Okay, let's read this one. 今天吃什么？
吃面吗？
吃面嘛。我要吃肉。
牛肉还是羊肉？
还是羊肉？我要鸡肉。
羊肉。那我们去吃那我们去吃鸡肉面吧。
Nice. 那我们去吃鸡肉面吧。Very difficult, but yeah.
Yeah. Now I need to like practice up my speed as well. 那我们去吃鸡肉面吧。A question. The middle sentence. 牛肉还是羊肉？Is the reason it doesn't need to be a ma there?
It's because 还是 is just you. It's literally a question already. 还是 is already a question word.
Okay.
There's the good thing. Good.
Okay, because it's or. Yeah.
还是 means or, but only as a question. 或者 means or as a not question. So be like, I don't know if I want this or this. Then you'd be like 或者. Do you want the 牛肉 or the 羊肉? Then it's 还是. Good question. Let me grammar points. I'll remember to make one. Okay, good. It's sounding very Chinese. Okay, then we had this thing here, and I marked this thing out. I've already gone through it with you. This you wrote is a food particle, but it's not.
Okay, it's golden.
It's gold, or it's like metal, because this is a rod, because you fish with it. So maybe you're thinking it like because you are fishing and it's food, but you should think of it like the thing you are using. It's made out of metal. It's some kind of material because it's a rod. It's a fishing rod.
Yeah,
that's how I want you to think about it.
Okay, then it's how I will do it.
Thank you for not questioning me.
I would never.
You've learned. You've become very wise through this course. How is the chicken? 鸡蛋怎么样？
你鸡蛋怎么样？
Yeah, sorry, I don't know why I said 你. I read this 你 down here. 鸡蛋怎么样？
鸡蛋怎么样？
Nice. And then I want to cover this 坏. Okay? This 坏什么意思？你可以说一下它是什么意思吗？你可以说一下它 like it 是什么意思？ And then Mark, can you do it, please? Can you talk a little bit about what its meaning is? 你可以说一下它的意思，它是什么意思呀？
可以。It means like you're a bad person. It's an insult, right? Like you're a bad dude.
Bad, yeah. But it literally means what? The word. It means it literally means bad, but also a few other words.
Yeah. 我不知道。
Well, we can start off with if we say 坏了 and what does this mean?
坏了。
这个什么意思？
我不知道什么意思。
你不知道什么意思？坏了意思是 broken
啊。
Like 哎呦这个坏了。
哎呦这个坏了。Can I say that by the way? Can I say 我不知道什么意思？ Like I don't know what it means.
Yes, please. 我不知道什么意思。Nice.
我不知道什么意思。
我不知道什么意思。Broken 坏了。
坏了。
Now it's a thing. Now we're talking about a thing. But what makes it interesting, which I love about it, is it means bad, it means broken, but we can also mean evil. So if it's a person, she is very 坏. She is evil. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
她很坏.
The person that is broken is evil.
Yeah. And maybe evil sounds a bit too much, so bad is more of the common translation. So I'll do like this. Very nice. 你累吗？
我很累。
你很累。
我很累。
哎呦。So that is really the only thing about 坏, but it's the opposite of 好, which I also want to address here quickly. It's 好 versus 坏. Now, if you say that something is not good, like the food is not good, how would you say that? 怎么说 the food is not good?
The food 这个吃
这个饭 you can say
这个饭不好，吃不好。
No. We're not using
No.
是 with adjectives.
Okay. Okay.
好吗？
好吧，好。
谢谢。
这个饭 also the food can be just fun.
Yeah. In this way.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it's fine. 这个饭
Okay. 这个饭不好。
这个饭很坏 What would that be? 这个饭很坏
Like it's bad. It's not good.
Yeah, it's gone bad maybe 坏了 Yeah, but it's really like if it's not good, if the food's bad, you should instead of using 坏 I think it's much better to just say 不好 and that's the thing that I want to address here. So if it's just not good, then say 不好 instead of instead of 坏. I don't think this really explains what I'm trying to say because obviously
坏了 feels more like it's something wrong with the food.
Yeah, good. That's probably more what I'm trying to say. Use 坏 if there's something wrong. Exactly. Okay, very, very good. Okay, 我知道怎么打鱼. That's very. 你知道怎么打鱼? This is funny because you forgot the 吗. 吗.
Okay, 吗. 你知道怎么打鱼吗?
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 非常好，非常好。
非常好。
Do you know lamb or beef? Do you want lamb or beef today? 今天你有 you said 这个不对。你要 And then there's a
不对起。
Nice.
对不起。
And you asked me this earlier as well, so I just removed the 嘛 at the end because you have 还是。Nice.
今天你要羊肉还是牛肉？
对，今天你要羊肉还是牛肉？非常好。Now, one thing that I haven't discussed in this chapter so far is 牛。Can you pronounce it with me?
牛。
Sounds very good. Now, this means cow, but it also means what? 还有什么意思？
意思还有 awesome or
awesome
good or
非常好。所以你可以说你很牛。 你很牛.
Ah, 谢谢.
你很牛. You're a cow. It's like the Indians. They love their cows. Chinese
They
too.
love their cows. Yeah. Well, they are lovely animals. So.
They are lovely. 牛很牛，你可以说。
什么？
牛很牛。
牛很牛，对，牛很牛，牛很牛。
Now, the end of this book, it derailed a little bit. We had a few new words that I don't know why they're here. These two especially. Have you learned?
Yeah, I think I just gave up at the end.
I think you should.
Cool.
I apologize for it. But everything else, we go and eat, right? 我们去吃. Note how common this is. Like you go and eat all the time. 去吃. And this you don't know either. I think I will eat. We'll have to talk about that. 哪里有呢? Where do they have that? That's excellent. And the rest we'll just skip because the rest, it's not important for now. Very good. So we discussed all the grammar points that I wanted to, and I feel like we've clarified everything from this chapter. And this is the end of chapter 5. Chapter 5, so level 2 as well.
Hey, level 3. Here we go.
Oh, and level 3 will be much more exciting because it'll look better. And I've redone everything from scratch. Very exciting stuff.
Yeah, really. I'm looking forward to it.
Nice.
I really enjoyed the new, what do you even call it? The new interface for the practice tasks or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lesson info announcements. Like these guys.
These bad boys, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I'll make it exactly like you said as well. That's very easy.
Yeah, I think that'd be I think everyone's gonna prefer that to have especially the sound part after each.
Yeah, I know.
That's gonna be super, super good, really, because then you can really hear the sentence for each task.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll do that definitely. Okay. So I also, but when you have time and when you're not late, there's chapter 4, and then translate and read. I want to do these with you. By the way, for every chapter here, I've also written down what the important words are. And that's quite useful, yeah. and then there's a story time. What are you doing today? Freebasing a little bit, and then there's chapter 5 as well. Do you want to rest now and come back tomorrow, or rest for 10 minutes and come back and do maybe one chapter, or what do you?
Well, I have I can do all day tomorrow as well. I could do today as well, but I think I will perform better tomorrow.
Okay.
So it's you know what? I'll let you decide.
Let me decide.
Because I guess we're quite off the schedule due to my delay.
That's fine. We'll just extend the course a little bit. That's fine. Let's do a little bit of this chapter 4 then. But let's take a 6-minute break and then come back and do chapter 4. Read a little bit. Maybe even finish chapter 4. It's just 3 exercises.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Wonderful.
6 minutes. I'm not sure if I ever had a 6-minute break before, so I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Very, very exciting stuff.
All right. See you in 6 minutes.
See you in 6 minutes.